What's something people don't know about festivals? They can get crazy. Let's explore the weirdest ones together. First up, we have La Tomatina in Spain. Picture this. Thousands of people, a mountain of tomatoes, and pure, unadulterated chaos. Next, let's head to the Underwater Music Festival in Florida. Yes, you heard that right. Grab your snorkel and jam out with the fish. Ever tried cheese rolling? Cooper's Hill in England hosts a festival where brave souls chase a wheel of cheese down a ridiculously steep hill. It's as hilarious as it sounds. And for our more spiritual adventurers, there's the Monkey Buffet Festival in Thailand. An all-you-can-eat feast for monkeys. Watch as these cheeky creatures enjoy a gourmet spread. Finally, Japan's Kanemaru Matsuri, also known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus. It celebrates fertility with giant, colorful sculptures parading through the streets. Yep, it's exactly what you think. So which festival would you love to experience? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.